Danke bafethu. What a goal from Umfundo Vilakazi. I mean, this is world class. Bambalwa kakhulu abantu. In fact, hayi abekho abantu ku-P_S_L abakwazi ukushaya kanje. Umuntu uma ebamba ibhola lapho ucabanga uku-square but kumfana because of uyabhiliva ukuthi uyakwazi ukulishaya ibhola laphana. Siyamazi ukuthi u-good in terms of i-shot accuracy yakhe, uyakwazi nokuthatha ama-free kick. I mean, look at this. Composure, uyaliplacea nje phakathi. Akatatazeli njengabanye abantu esibaziyo ukuthi bebotatazela enye into-ke la. Hayi, yeah, this is a good technique from me. I remember ngimbone no-15 ukuthi already beka-good pass of the ball, uyakwazi nje ukuliplacea kahle ibhola, ukukhuluma nalo umfana laphana. Good run obviously for i-Kaizer Chiefs, izinto zibahambela kahle. Siyazi ukuthi ku-league bahleli kuphi. Obviously ngeke kube lula for bona uku-compete this season, but-ke I mean i-league is there for the taking. They just have to keep winning their games. Banga-waste ama-opportunities amaningi, lama-opportunities lawa abawatholayo. Bane-team well equipped ezokwazi ukucompete nanoma yiphi i-team yaku-Betway Premiership, but i-consistency will be the key or key for bona ukuzama ngempela ukuthola ama-results nokwenza izinto zenzeke for i-Kaizer Chiefs. uVilakazi bebangamlokhunjani, bebangamthembi that much ukuthi bamqalisa ama-game, but i-public outcry from ama-fans bafaka i-pressure too much. Baze babona nabo coach ukuthi hayi asimdlalisi. Manje ama-fans still they're faking i-pressure ukuthi amanye ama-player adlaliswe. Into engihlekisayo la, hayi ama-stats lawana online, abantu bathi uVilakazi ulona uShabalala una-21, udlala amagame awu-75 na-16 goals, 13 assists. Sipho Mbule bavele bathi uyalazi uyalazi nje kuphela. But yeah, i-reality ukuthi lama-stats lawo okay ngiyazi ukuthi i-banter, abantu bayadlala nje online, but ulo uShabalala i-stats sakhe udlala amagame awu-92 for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ne? And then unamagoli awu-11 bafowethu, 11 not amagoli awu-16. And then unama-assist awu-5 for i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-history yakhe nje ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then uSipho Mbuli yena udlala ama-game ku-P_S_L amagame awu-139, unamagoli awu-13 nama-assist awu-11. Obviously izinto kakhulu zenzeka ku-SuperSport United la duma khona kakhulu. Besimazi ukuthi ayikhona umfana oshisa kakhulu, i-partnership yakhe noTeboho Mokoena beyi-strong kakhulu ebholeni lase-South African, and they showed ukuthi bayadeserve ukudlala ebholeni elisezingeni elikhulu. I-pedigree banayo, ithalente banalo. Siyamazi kuSipho Mbuli ukuthi yena waphazamiswa yini ebholeni, siyazi like there's nothing esingayazi ngaye ukuthi wenzani yini into yam-slower down, but I feel like bekazoba nama-opportunities angconywana. Noma ngabe ama-stats wakhe way better if like he just focused ekudlaleni ibhola, because of ku-SuperSport United kula, I mean i-contribution yakhe simazi ku-SuperSport United kuphela, i-contribution yakhe strong ngempela bafethu yaku-SuperSport United. Even kuSkhukhune United ube nayo that contribution, udlala futhi kuSkhukhune United udlala amagame amancane kakhulu bafethu, but i-contribution yakhe beyi-strong kakhulu laphana kuSkhukhune United, because kuSkhukhune United udlala amagame awu-14, ushaye 2 goals, waba nama-assist awu-2. Mamelodi Sundowns udlalile amagame awu-16, unegoli elilodwa kuMamelodi Sundowns. No, unamagoli awu-2 kuMamelodi Sundowns. Udlalile, akadlalanga, udlale more than 16 games because uhlalile ama-season 16 and then 19 games the previous season. SuperSport United kula vele-ke anamagoli-ke ngempela. Cabanga amagoli wakhe awu-11 bafowethu 11 goals, lamagoli awu-13 anawo abuya ku-SuperSport United. Ingakho ngisho ukuthi kula duma khona kahle kakhulu. Was-announce yena nabo-Teboho Mokoena nabo-Modiba. I mean i-squad bebanaso laphana ku-SuperSport bafethu si-super powerful. But yeah, there's a room for improvement for ama-player o-2. Room for improvement ikhona for umfowethu laphana uShabalala, naye kumele a-improve in terms of ukuthi asize i-team. But yeah, in terms of ama-assist or contribution eteamini, uShabalala better than uSipho Mbuli at the moment. Siyazi ukuthi only time will tell, only time will tell ukuthi uzoperforma kanjani nanokuthi uzocontribute kanjani kangakanani going forward. But kumele ngempela ukuthi azame ukucontribute umbule. And then uShabalala is on the right track. I think into emotivate-ayo kakhulu manje iBafana Bafana ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uHugo Broos ubhekile zonke izinto abazenzayo nje ubhekile ukuthi bazophefoma kanjani, is tracking everything ama-performances. Ufuna abafana benze kahle kakhulu ukuthi bakwazi ukuba khona laphana kuBafana Bafana. So into e-right kakhulu ukuthi aqhubeke nje asebenze kanzima and never look back. Keep giving those good performances. Bafana Bafana is there and then bayakunothisa kuBafana Bafana. I mean obvious uma engaqhubeka bafowethu edlale kahle kanje ngeke bam-ignore noma abathandi ukum-ignore ngeke bam-ignore. But ngifuna ukuyivala ngoMfundo Vilakazi umuntu ezivule ngaye ngegoli lakhe elihle. I mean bhekani le nto bafethu, bheka then uma ubheka ukuthi bayingakhi abantu bebazokwazi ukulipleyisa kahle le bhola leli. Composure, accuracy, confidence kumfana. I mean is taking his opportunities. Uyababonga ucoach ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi niyanginika ama-opportunities ukuthi ngidlale and then ngizoni-rewarda ngama-goals ngama-assist. Already unama-assist laphana ku-continental level awu-2 awashaye against AS Simba. Njalo uya-create mana ama-opportunities umfana, so kulele kubo ukuthi ba-convert ama-chances kuphela because yena uzokunika, uzokuphasa, uzo-create. Are they ready laphana phambili? But ngithanda i-combination yakhe noMduba bafethu, bane-understanding e-right kakhulu. Bayazi ukuthi uyazi ukuthi uMfundo uyazi ukuthi uVilakazi uma ephethe ibhola uli-anticipate-a kanjani, uzomnika kanjani. And then uShabalala because of unaleyo free role kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi you can roam around anywhere akwazi ukudlala kahle. But singamkhohlwa uNgcobo naye is very creative in terms of ukushaya lawo maphasi lawo, uku-connect-a nabantu laphana phambili, bit of versatility. Yeah, big season for iKaizer Chiefs, a big one, very big season for the youngsters. Balindile oHlongwane. Ungamkhohlwa uThulani Touch Mabaso naye ulindile umfana ukuthi ngibizeni ku-first team ngizonibonisa. Ngicabanga ukuthi abafana ba-hungry, especially laba abalaphana ku-DDC team, ba-ready ukuthatha ama-opportunities whenever opportunities wazipresenta kubo, ba-ready. Thulani Touch Mabaso angazi ukuthi engikhulume ngaye kangakanani because ngiyayazi i-pedigree yakhe, ngiyazi ukuthi what he can give ku-Kaizer Chiefs menganikwa nje ama-opportunity ukuthi adlale. Abafana baku-DDC banga-contribute-a kakhulu. Ukuthi angisafuni ukugxila ekutheni obani abadeserve, obani bayadeserve na, hhayi angifuni ukufocus-a lapho kakhulu. But yeah, Vilakazi vele bayi kumele yabona i-combination kaVilakazi vele bayi noMdu, and then i-striker-ke kungaba u-Ighodaro or kungaba na uSilva. uSilva atholakale laphana ebhokisini njalo bazomphasa. uMdu unawo lawo ma-through pass, uVilakazi unayo lo eye for ukuthi abone abadlali bakhe ukuthi bawuphi abaphasi kahle, and then uvele bayi uyathanda ukuskwera ibhola bafethu and ibhola lifuneka ebhokisini vele. Danko, ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.